Check.
Great. Now, this is important. Even though you know it's gonna hurt, you gotta hit it head on.
Does it really hurt?
Only for the first year or two.
Did you actually used to be my height?
Nope. I was much taller. Took me years to achieve this. Never missed a day. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Ready?
Ready.
Say the word, son. Did I mention you gotta keep your feet up?
No.
You gotta keep your feet up.
Check. Notch.
Never seen that happen.
Notch.
Attaboy, Migo!
Michi.
Migo, through your aim! Through your aim!
Oh no. My helmet. Where's my... What is that? Hey, what? Broken life! Come back! Look at your small foot. Small foot. Small foot. Small foot. Oh my gosh! It's a small foot! Come back!